Using the link that Dr. Gutierrez gave us, I added this folder at the very bottom, and you can check it. You only have to go here, and then you have three sections: instructor manual, accessible lectures, PowerPoint, and the test bank. You can open each of them, but the thing is, we're gonna use the PowerPoint as external resources, as a link, because I don't have enough space in my computer to store all of the presentations, but it's the same. And if you need another resource about this one, I attach here the link, and you can go, and here you have any resource that you need. You have the PowerPoints, you have the Flex Art PowerPoints, you have the animations, whatever you need, you have here the resource. And if you need it, you can add it. That's it.